And Diego's here. We're still at it. So we got the trim board put on underneath here. This is the new trim board. This is the proper metal flashing that this roof was missing in the first place. This is called T-metal flashing. It's to protect the wood on the edge here, so if rain comes over, it'll be able to drip off and not get onto the wood underneath. And next we're going to be running our better layer of ice and water over the top here to seal off the edge better.